If you want to make an RNG drop system, first of all, download this module script, loot plan, then go into Roblox Studio, add that module script. So go into view, click toolbox, then go into my models, go into my models, loot plan, click it, and okay. You have loot plan downloaded. Now all you need to do is make a script that actually uses it. So first of all, it requires the loot plan. When you have the loot plan required, then you need to make a new plan. There are two options, singles and multi, depending on if you want one drop or multiple drops. So we'll go with singles for this video. Then you can go into the plan and actually add the loot, basically anything you want. Let's for example say we want to add a normal that is going to drop every like 50% of the time, right? Then we want to add a uncommon. It will for example drop 25% of the time. Then we want to add for example a rare that will drop 10% of the time, and then we'll add a legendary. This one is going to drop like 1% of the time. Then when you have all the loot you want added, just write down plan get random loot. Also you can add the luck. So for us, usually it uses 1, right? But if you want double the chances of getting something rare, then put 2, and then that'll be double the luck, triple the luck, easy as that. So let's actually visualize how that looks like. Let's make a for loop that is gonna run for 100 times so we can actually see how it works. Yeah, check it out. Our results, we got a normal, uncommon, normal, uncommon, normal, uncommon, normal, uncommon, normal, rare, normal, normal, uncommon, normal, normal, uncommon, rare. No legendaries here. Where are the legendaries? Oh, in 100 spins we didn't get a legendary. Yeah, just like in real games, right? So this was a pretty fast tutorial. Hopefully you liked it. And by the way, if you want to make a dash in Roblox, then you should watch this video next.